So this is my visual mnemonic for DNA polymerase 1. It's to keep straight the ideas of polymerase activity, exonuclease activity, and RNA-dependent DNA polymerase activity, also known as reverse transcriptase. On the far left, you'll see a polygonal rock with a beehive above it. The polygonal rock is to represent the word poly in polymerase. So the polymerase activity is on the left. Then the hive above it is to represent the number 5, beehive 5, and that's because the polymerase activity is in the 5' to 3' direction. So in the center of the image you can see a sword, a tree, and a bee. This is to represent the exonuclease activity. The sword is the exonuclease. The tree behind it is the representation for the number 3, and the bee below them is to represent that hive from before on the far left, and that is representing the number 5. So exonuclease activity has both a 3' to 5' direction and a 5' to 3' direction represented by the tree and the bee. Then on the far right, you'll see a Grim Reaper or Grim Reaver with bees above him. And the Reaver represents reverse transcriptase or RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. And the bees above him are to represent, are there a stand-in for the beehive. So beehive 5, so RNA-dependent DNA polymerase is in the 5' to 3' direction for DNA polymerase 1. So there's 2 more videos after this, DNA polymerase 2 and DNA polymerase 3. And let me know if there's any mistakes, and I'll correct them as soon as possible. Thank you.